Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you the fastest way to change colors using iPhoto. So first up, open your browser and then go to iPhoto.ai and then sign in with your account. Go to Free Tools and select Color Changer. Now from here, you just have to select on the Change Color Now button. And then you just have to select the image that you want to use. Now let's wait for a few seconds here. Then you'll be taken into this page. As you can see, you can now click on Choose Clothing Area to recolor. Now identifying your color. Once done, click on the Select button or unselect the area. So click on Select and select this shirt. Now click on the Confirm button. Now as you can see, in a few seconds, you'll find this option where you can adjust the color or choose the color here that you want to change. For example, you can basically select right here any of the color, or you can basically grab this and select the color that you want. And also here, you can go to fine tune to basically tune it to a lighter or a darker color. Now here, as you can see, we have also some settings. We have enhance. So you can also enhance the color on your image. So basically, this is for the pro version. And we have remove background, face swap, AI fashion model. We have AI background right here and the cleanup. So in this case, we're going to select on color change. So as I mentioned, you just have to choose the color from the image that you want to change. For example, this one, and then click on the confirm button. Now recoloring, and then you just have to select the color that you want. For example, this one here, or fine tune it. And then once done, click on download button. You can download it with the high definition, but you need to subscribe to pro version. So in this case, we're going to just select this preview with iPhoto logo. So as you can see, if we go to this button, then it will basically download this image and then click on save. So another one here, you can just continue select the color that you want for this image. And then once done, click on the download button. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.